Welcome to this lesson on cloud security architecture. In today's digital world, cloud security is more important than ever. Whether you're securing public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid cloud environments, understanding security best practices is key. Let's dive in. The objectives of this lesson will be 1. Understand security considerations in public, private, and hybrid cloud environments. Learn about key cloud security frameworks and standards, including ISO, NIST, and CIS. 3. Explore the fundamentals of identity and access management, IAM, in cloud security. 4. Identify best practices for securing cloud environments. 5. Recognize the importance of compliance and security policies in cloud deployments. To start with, let's talk about public cloud security. Public clouds like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer scalability and flexibility, but security is a shared responsibility. As we proceed in these lessons, cloud provider secures infrastructure, but you must protect your data and applications. For this to be done, your data must comply with regulations like HIPAA and GDPR. Also, using strong IAM policies and encryption reduces risks. Another thing to look into is the network security tools like VPNs and firewalls. These also enhance protection. For more safety, private cloud offers dedicated resources and control to perform these operations. Uniquely, organizations with strict security requirements such as stronger access controls ensure only authorized users to gain entry. Physical security is crucial for on-premise data centers. Monitoring tools help detect insider threats. Having these security requirements, a hybrid cloud combines private cloud and public clouds. The following requiring seamless security integration. Data segmentation. These helps maintain compliance and security. Unified security policies prevent misconfigurations. Encryption secures data transfers between environments. Comprehensive monitoring ensures visibility across platforms. Now let's consider what ISO security standards means. ISO means International Standard for Information Security Management. And it provides globally recognized security standards. Here are some key ones in ISO. Information Security Management System. Security Best Practices. Cloud-specific security guidance. Protection of personal data in the cloud. Furthermore, NIST also provides structured security guidelines for cloud environments. The NIST cybersecurity framework includes the Center for Internet Security, CIS, offers practical security benchmarks and hardened images for cloud platforms. Identity and Access Management, IAM, ensures that only authorized users can access cloud resources. Let's consider the last part in this lesson. The key component of an IAM functions are identification, establishing user identities; authentication, using passwords, MFA, or biometrics; authorization, assigning permissions based on roles; auditing, monitoring access logs. In addition, best practices for IAM are stated below. Apply the principle of least privilege. Enforce multi-factor authentication, MFA. Monitor and audit IAM activity. Regularly update IAM policies. Let's review what we've covered today. 1. Security considerations for public, private, and hybrid clouds. Cloud security frameworks like ISO, NIST, and CIS. 3. IAM principles and best practices to protect cloud assets. Now, it's time to test your knowledge. Take the short quiz below to reinforce your learning. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.